The Lotus-Born Guru. Long ago, in the beautiful land of Adhyana, a wondrous event unfolded. In the shimmering Lake Dhanakosha, a magnificent lotus bloomed, and from its heart a child appeared, already 8 years old. He was named Padmasambhava, meaning Lotus-Born. This special child grew in wisdom and grace. He traveled far and wide, seeking knowledge from the greatest masters of India. He learned from teachers like Ananda and Prabhahasti, absorbing ancient wisdom and secret teachings. Through diligent practice and profound meditation, Padmasambhava attained deep realization. He mastered Tantra and esoteric practices, becoming a realized yogi with incredible spiritual powers, capable of understanding the deepest truths of the universe. In the distant land of Tibet, King Trisong Detsen faced a great challenge. He wished to build Samye Monastery, the first Buddhist monastery, but unseen obstacles and powerful local spirits prevented its construction. The king heard of the great yogi Padmasambhava and sent an urgent invitation. Guru Padmasambhava, now known as Guru Rinpoche, accepted the invitation. He journeyed to the snowy peaks of Tibet, where he encountered the fierce local spirits. With his vast spiritual power, he did not fight them, but tamed them, binding them by oath to protect the sacred Dharma. With the spirits pacified, the path was clear. Samye Monastery, a magnificent structure, rose majestically from the earth, becoming a beacon of Buddhist learning and practice in Tibet. Guru Rinpoche stayed in Tibet, sharing the profound teachings of Vajrayana Buddhism. He taught deep tantric practices, including Dzogchen, the Great Perfection, guiding many disciples towards enlightenment. Knowing that future generations would also need guidance, Guru Rinpoche concealed many precious teachings, called terma, throughout the land. These hidden treasures were meant to be discovered by special individuals, tertans, when the time was right. To help all beings, Guru Rinpoche is known to appear in 8 different forms, called Guru Tsenge. From a peaceful monk to a wrathful protector, he manifests in ways that best suit the needs of those he guides. Today, Guru Padmasambhava is revered as the second Buddha by Tibetans. His teachings form the foundation of the Nyingma school, the oldest Tibetan Buddhist tradition, and his wisdom continues to inspire millions across the Himalayas and beyond.